Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand Contra Vouchers, also known as Internet Transfers in Odoo 19. If you want to transfer money between your cash and bank accounts, like moving cash to bank, bank to cash, or between two bank accounts, this is exactly the feature you need. I will show you where to find Internet Transfer option, how to create a Contra entry step by step, and explain when and why it's used in real business scenarios. So let's get started and simplify accounting in Odoo 19. So before creating the customer invoice, let me just navigate into the accounting module. In the configuration and the journal section, I can see the cash journal and the incoming payments and the outgoing payments. I have the cash account attached. So let me just navigate into the bank journal. So I am assuming this is my bank journal. And if I just go here in the incoming account, I can see the outstanding receipt account and the outstanding payment account. Now let me just navigate into the customer and invoices. Let me just create the new invoice and I will just select the customer, and after that I will just add the product as pen, and after that I will just add the quantities, and I will just click confirm. After this I can see the pay button, so I'm assuming the customer is paying through cash. So in that case I need to select the cash journal, and I need to select the create payment, and we can see the payments is created, and we can see automatically the status of the invoice changed to paid. Since this is was the payment through cash, it gets auto reconciled. So now let me just navigate into the dashboard, and I can see the cash journal is showing balance as 60. Now imagine that I want to transfer this 60 amount that I received as cash to my bank, or I want to deposit it to my bank. So in that case, you need to just click on these three menu buttons, and I need to click on the transactions, and I need to create a new statement in this case. So I need to write some label like cash to bank, or you may write some other references also. And after this, here in the amount section, I need to add the negative sign and the 60 amount, since the amount is going out from the cash journal. So after that, just click on save. Once this is done, I need to go into the Kanban view, and here I can see this is the entry or the bank statement or the statement we have created, transaction statement for cash journal. And we can see the three dots here. If I just click here, I can see the internet transfer options. So I need to just click on this. Once this is done, this gets reconciled with the liquidity transfer account. After this, now if I just go into the dashboard, I can see the balance is showing as 0, means from the cash the amount has been gone. Now we need to bring that 60 amount or the 60 amount in this bank journal. So I need to click here on the transactions or the statements. So let me just go here in the dashboard. So here we will have two options. We can directly connect the bank account from this connect bank button. But suppose if the bank whatever you are using is not available in the drop down, in that case you need to import the bank statements daily or weekly wise, depending upon the your convenience. So I can see the statements. If I just click here, I can upload the bank statements. Normally we have the columns like label, date, then we have partner, amount, journal, etc. So in that format we can import the bank statements daily wise, weekly wise, depending. So after that, or so since this is a demo video, so I'm just manually creating these statements. I'm just going to the transactions, and I'm manually creating this statement like deposit to bank, and after that I'm just adding the amount, that is 60, and I'm just clicking save. Once this is done, I will just click on the Kanban view, and here I can see the three dots and the internet transfers option. So click on that, and we can see it got reconciled with the liquidity transfer account. Now if I just go in the dashboard, I can see the balance in the bank journal is showing as 60. Initially it was 0, now it's showing 60. And we can see the cash balance shows 0 since we have removed the amount from here and we have transferred it to the bank account. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo 19 tutorials. Thanks for watching.